Economics Chapter 1 Part 1 Hi, I am Yaram from Ethiopia. I am in Economics Grade 8. No, I am interested to teaches economics with a good manner. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get these useful course. Now let's start my course Economics. What is economics? It is a field of study concerned how people use resource, make decision, and respond to incentives in the face of scarcity. Economics is the study of how people use resource in a world where resources are limited. The word economics comes from Greek words oikonomics, which means of a household or manager practiced in household or financial management. It is a social science that study production, distribution, and consumption of goods and service. IT is a science which studies about human behavior as a relationship ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. IT is generally the study of how society uses its limited resource because scarcity is the issue of the whole world. The nature of economics. We have observed that the variety in the definitions of economics reflects the changing views of economists over time. Some economists have treated economics as a science, and others consider it to be an art. Economics as a science. Science produces a systematic and organized knowledge that correlates causes and effects. This knowledge can be called a knowledge of what is. In economics, various facts are systematically collected, classified, analyzed, and interpreted to make predictions for the future, and it is in this sense that economics can be considered to be a science. Economics as an art. One important definition of art is a technique or a way of doing or achieving something. While dealing with problems like unemployment, poverty, and inflation, economics presents principles and methods by which these problems can be solved. Thus, economics not only investigates the nature and causes of an economic problem but also sets guidelines for its solution. On this basis, we can consider economics to be an art. Branches of economics. The field and scope of economics is expanding rapidly and has come to include. Later we will meet with Chapter 1 Part 2 Branches of Economics. Do not forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.